I was home with my kids. Bitch, I'm a mother. No drama.
Cake, yeah, cake, all about cake, yeah. Hey, come and relate, come and relate.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Akilah, also known as Kilahmazing, and today I'm coming at y'all with a vlog, something real chill, something real simple. I am just going to be fulfilling some orders today and opening up some packages, and I just want to bring you guys along with me so you guys can see what I kind of do in my daily life. So this is the final look. So I recently got an Apple Watch a few months ago, and y'all, I love this thing so much. Does anybody really need an Apple Watch? Not really, but I just like being connected at all times. I get a lot of emails and notifications, so I just like having all that on my wrist. And I got this wristband from Amazon. She is cute. I'll definitely be sure to link this down below. I do have an Amazon store now, so you could shop all of my Amazon favorites. Y'all know I love me some Amazon. Well, if you don't know, now you know. I love me some Amazon. Amazon Prime is life, and they take all my money at this point. This is what it looks like once it's on. Real cute. So yeah, so right now I am going to go ahead and pack some orders. Hey buddy, you got your Christmas sweater on? All right, y'all, so I'm coming at y'all from my office. So this is where I keep all my head wraps. This little cubicle organizer is from Amazon. I'll definitely be sure to link that down below. And all of my other favorite business finds, but this thing is a lifesaver. It just keeps me organized and on track. So right now, I am just pulling up Shopify, and I'm gonna run through how many of each head wrap I need to fulfill all of my orders. Y'all went crazy for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so shout out to all y'all for the love and support. Just bringing all my head wraps over here so that I could put labels on them. So this is everything that needs to go out. I got my lint roller, my labels, and I'm also going to iron them. Make sure that they're all nice and crispy and ready to go. So while I'm doing all this, most times I'm either listening to an audiobook, a podcast, or watching something. So right now I'm watching Atlanta, y'all. I'm 4 years late on this show, but Hulu had the best Black Friday deal in which you pay $1.99 per month for 12 months for a subscription. I was like, I need to hop on that because I need to watch my shows. They have Grownish on here. What else? They have a whole bunch of good shows that I just needed in my life. So I'm currently watching Atlanta. I love this show so far, y'all. I'm only on episode 5 of season 1. If y'all don't know, I was born and raised here in Atlanta, so you know, your girl got to show a little love, and I just heard so many good things about this show, and I'm a huge Donald Glover fan, so that's what I'm gonna watch. All right, y'all, so this is what everything looks like once it's all packaged with their labels on them. This is when I normally like to take a little video for the gram. Y'all be sure to follow my business page as well. But real quick, I wanted to share with you guys these metallic prints. So this is the one I'm actually wearing today, but it's the details for me. Like, how pretty is that? I feel like the camera doesn't even do these any justice, but they're so pretty. Definitely probably my favorite out of all of them. So I went ahead and put on some gloves. I'm going to place each head wrap into one of these bags. Alright y'all, so right now I am just printing out my shipping labels. I don't know if you guys caught my previous day in the life video, but I recently, well not even recently, I've had this Rollo printer for maybe 6-7 months now. But y'all, I love this thing. The only thing is that you do have to hook it up to a computer. I would prefer if this was Wi-Fi, but this thing is just so fast. It doesn't use any ink, so it saves me money. It's totally worth the investment. So this is where I keep all my mailing stuff. So I have some poly mailers, and then I have some thank you cards. I need a few more of these. Then in these drawers, I just keep fabric for head wraps that still need to be made. Alright y'all, so I'm finally done. I always just sit and reflect once everything is all packaged up, and I'm just like so grateful that I have so much support. Like, this is crazy. Thank you guys. So I'm going to go ahead, take these to the post office. I went to the post office and now I'm back home. I went ahead and put on my black TikTok gear. So I'm actually part of their black TikTok community. So that's really dope. That's something that I did not expect from this year at all. But I've said this before and I'll say it again. I love TikTok. Out of all the social media platforms out there, TikTok is definitely one of my favorites. So this year I've just spent a lot of time putting in work. Yeah, anyway, shout out to them for the merch. Right now, while I have on makeup, I like to get the most out of it. So I'm gonna film a few TikToks. I try to post on TikTok as much as I possibly can. I am so close to 100K, it's not even funny. So if y'all aren't already, definitely be sure to follow your girl over there. I'm starting to use Reels as well. So y'all just follow me on Instagram and TikTok. But right now, I'm going to film a few TikToks and maybe do a few little dances. Yeah, this is kind of cringy sometimes, but I don't know, I kind of want to let you guys know what it looks like behind the scenes of doing TikToks. You ready to make TikToks with me, buddy? Why does he look traumatized?
I was home with my kids, my mother. No drama.
I think Pepper's over it, so we're done with that part. Alright y'all, so I'm done with my TikToks, but I just wanted to end this video off with an unboxing. I got a lot of packages, so I just want to share with you guys what I was sent. So the first one is from Kiehl's. So Kiehl's was a partnership with Feeding for America. So let's see. Help create holiday meal memories for families in need with Kiehl's in Feeding America. Oh, that's so cool. A donation has been made to Feeding America in your honor. 1,000 meals. I've been needing a new oven mitt. Yes, Kiehl's. Oh my gosh. All of my favorite products. Wow. So we have the Calendula foaming face wash, the toner, the ultra facial cream, which is one of my favorites, as well as their deep pore cleansing mask. How sweet. Then literally 3 face masks. That is what's up. An apron? Okay, I'm in shock. I am in shock. Wow, this is probably one of the best PR packages I have ever received. Next, I actually already opened up this one because the girl got a little excited, but there are some natural hair products from Camille Rose. So I have their Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. I've actually used this before in the past. So they sent some over. Oh gosh, it smells just as good as I remember. And then I have their Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. And it's a hair cleanser with crushed ginger and invigorating lemon peel, crafted to cleanse strands without stripping moisture. With 4C hair, that's just so important. And then their coconut water, heard a lot of great things about this. Oh, it's closed. Haha. And then their Ajani Growth Scalp and Shine Conditioner. Oops. Okay. And then lastly are their, I think this is their Rejuvenating Drops. So this is their Rejuva Grow Back Drops. It has castor oil, peppermint oil, and this is for hair loss and alopecia. Expect results in 30 days. So I don't know if you guys know this, but Camille Rose actually has a skincare line. They sent me over some of their products to try. Support Black-owned businesses, okay? So first we have a little headband, and then we have, oh, a makeup remover. It's actually a toner as well. Then we have their Daily Brightening Moisture Dew, and then we have a mask. Yes, I love me a good face mask. I'm gonna have to do like a separate video of me doing like my facial routine. It's been a minute. And then we have their Overnight Repair Eye Jelly. I live for a good eye product, especially like when I'm wearing makeup, just like to help like, you know, add a little bit more moisture. Minimizes the look of dark circles, puffiness, and tired looking eyes. I don't want to open too many things because I'm definitely going to be doing a giveaway. So I'm telling y'all, please stay tuned. Like, just stay tuned. Follow me everywhere so that you'll be the first to know when I do it. Seedless Skin Pore Reducing Foaming Scrub. Okay. And then we have this super cute mirror. That's cute. Cute. Oh, there's one more thing. Oh, a night serum. Age Reversing Night Serum. And the last box is from Colourpop. It's always such a surprise when I open these. The big box of lippy sticks. I know for a fact I'm going to be giving these away because I actually have all 48. Well, they probably have even more now, but I literally have all the colors of these, literally. So shout out to Colourpop and all these lovely brands that sent me over these goodies. If you want to see more vlogs from me, definitely be sure to give your girl a thumbs up. This is something a little bit different for me, so shout out to you if you made it all the way through, because it's definitely not my normal content, but I just want to, you know, kind of let you guys in on what's going on with my life. But anyways, once again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.